Excellency Mr. Umara Masahiro, Medical Services, Dr. For, the Chief the Honorable Dr. Ifereimi Waqainabete, Mr. Umara Masahiro, the Ambassador of Japan. Without any further ado, we will now proceed with our session before we wrap up.
Honorable Dr. Ifereimi Waqainabete, Minister for Health and Medical Services, and officials of Fiji government, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Bura Vinaka. First of all, I thank you, Honorable Minister Waqainabete, for hosting this ceremony. May I also praise the Fijian government's sound leadership in effectively guiding the nation through the challenges of COVID-19. The Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Health Minister have been the central figures in Fiji's COVID-19 battle. There are few countries in the world which can say they are COVID-free. Yet, there are even fewer countries which can say that they had COVID-19 cases in their population, but now are COVID-free. Fiji is amongst those fewer countries. Your commitment, proactive measures, and consideration for all are the reasons that not only Fijians, but foreign nationals like us, together with our families residing in Fiji, have remained safe and COVID-free. For this, I would like to say a big Vinaka Bakarevu to you, Honorable Minister, and to your team. This ceremony will formalize Japan's grant assistance for the procurement of medical equipment worth 500 million yen, or approximately 10 million Fijian dollars. It will support the capacity of the Ministry of Health and Medical Services to deliver quality health care to the people of Fiji. I am very happy to highlight that Japan is also supporting the COVID-19 response of Fiji and Pacific Island countries through its funding to UN and other international organizations. This includes the funding of $3 million to UNICEF for the technical assistance to Fiji and 13 other countries in this region. In addition, Japan also provided funding worth $123,000 to IFRC for the technical support to further boost Fiji's response capacity for COVID-19. Japan is a long-standing development partner to Fiji's health sector. We engaged in Health Ministry's various programs, including the dispatch of Japanese experts and volunteers in priority areas such as non-communicable diseases and total quality management. Japan has also supported Fiji's key public health infrastructure projects since 1984, including the Fiji School of Nursing, the Fiji School of Medicine, pediatric unit of the CWM Hospital, and Fiji Pharmaceutical Service Center. I conclude with confidence that this project serves to further strengthen friendship between the governments and peoples of Japan and Fiji. Vinaka Vakarevu, and thank you very much.
Mura Masahiro, the Ambassador of Japan to Fiji, and officials of the Embassy of Japan to Fiji, senior officials of the Ministry of Health, the Permanent Secretary and Chief Medical Advisor and Director of PBS and Director Finance and Asset Management, and other officials of the Ministry of Health and Medical Services, and officials from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs that are here with us, and also members of the media. On behalf of the Fijian government, I would like to take this time to thank the government of Japan for the grant and the provision of medical equipment to Fiji. And also like to congratulate Japan for the significant work that it has done to protect the citizens of Japan in regards to COVID-19. We are all aware of the proximity of Japan to the epicenter and the beginnings of the disease within the Asian subcontinent, and the fact that Japan has been able to protect its citizens, and also Fijian citizens who live and reside in Japan. And also, as you know, my son lives in Japan, and the fact that they have been protected well by the government of Japan, we congratulate the government of Japan in this work. It is true that the government of Japan has been supporting the Ministry of Health and also other agencies within Fiji for quite a long time, and Japan is a long-standing friend of Fiji. As the Honourable, as the Excellency has alluded to, the support has also been to the other areas, including in education, the Fiji School of Nursing with a facility up in Tamavua, the Fiji School of Medicine, and also our Children's Hospital, which we are now running as a completely children's hospital within CWM Hospital, probably the only children's specialized area within the Pacific, and we've been able to do this through the kind support of the Japanese government. And also, apart from that, we've also had support in other areas. At the moment, we've embarked on total quality management, and for this, Japan has been supporting the Ministry of Health and the concept of 5S, or the Kaizen approach in total quality management. This agreement today, and for the procurement of medical equipment to the tune of 10 million Fiji dollars or 500 million Japanese yen, is very timely, Your Excellency, because throughout the Ministry of Health, with this COVID-19 that we've been facing, we've had to look at ways to remodel our healthcare service delivery model in a way that will empower, enrich, and value add the more than 200 facilities we have all over Fiji. We've also realized that to be able to work well in the midst of threats of the pandemic and also disasters such as Cyclone Harold, we have to ensure that we decentralize the service as much as we can, but also ensuring that they are properly resourced. And for that, we are very grateful for the opportunity of the equipment that Japan will be providing to us through this grant. We know the quality and the caliber of the equipment that is made in Japan. We've used so many in the past, and we know that these are very user-friendly, and our health services providers understand and know how to work with them, and this will be something that will be a plus in the way that we'll be able to provide our care. We're also very grateful, as I've said, to the many other areas in which we've had support, including the Fiji Pharmaceutical Services, which has had support from the government of Japan. Again, on behalf of the government of Fiji, I take this time to thank the government of Japan for this very generous provision of equipment that will support the work that we do. Within the Ministry of Health, we have a replacement cycle that we have in place to replace our equipment, but as we've discussed with the COVID-19, we've had to quickly remodel our service delivery, and by doing so, we've had to also make sure that we equip certain facilities in ways that we've never had to do so before. And so by this provision of $10 million worth of a grant of equipment will enable us to be able to be more resilient in providing that service. So thank you very much, Your Excellency, and thank you, Japan. Navali.